Hey guys, welcome to the first episode. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fill in and trace your brows properly well. Okay, so we're going to be doing the brows in parts. So today we're going to be doing filling in, taming, and tracing your brows. So that is going to be the part 1, and in the next episode we're going to do highlighting and blending of the brows. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to tame my brows. I tame my brows to keep them in place, and if you don't have a brow tamer, you can use your eyelash glue, and that is what I'm using today. So I'm using my clear eyelash glue. I'm just going to go right ahead and start taming your lash glue all over your lash hair. You place your lash glue all over your brow hair. Okay, like that. And then you can wait for 1 minute for it to get dry. So I'm going to use my spoolie. I'm going to brush that upwards and outwards gently. And then we're just going to let that we're just going to leave it to get dry, and when it gets dry it becomes transparent. Okay, so when your lash glue becomes transparent, just pat using your hand to make sure it is dry. Okay, and you press the hair down just so it could remain at that position. So doing this will keep your brow hair in place. So after doing that, I would like to set my brows using a powder. So I'm using this Elegant powder. It's actually my compact powder. You can use any compact powder of your choice. And I'll be using this small eyeshadow fluffy brush to set my brows. So you just set on top of your brow hair. So this is the first stage. We have tamed and set our brows. We're just going to go right into filling the brows. So before filling your brows or filling in your brows to look very natural, you need to use a sharp brow pencil. You want a brown pencil, okay, because using a black pencil is going to make your brows look very dark. What I'm going to do is I'm going to trace my brows right now, the shape of my brows. So I'm going to follow the normal shape that my brow has. I'm not going to be drawing anything different from my natural brows, so you guys are just going to see what I'm going to do. So I start from here. I don't start from the beginning of my brows. I start tracing a little bit away from the beginning of my brows. I just draw this line, following my brow hair. Okay, you have the first line, and then make sure you're following your brow hair. Okay, determining the length of your brow, you need to make sure your brow ends at this line. Like if you draw a line from the outer corner of your eyes, a diagonal line like this, it should meet the end of your brows, if you understand what I mean. I think that's it for tracing. I'm just going to go right ahead to filling, and you want to fill your brows in the most natural way as possible. We all want natural brows, so I'm going to start filling in like this. So I'm doing hair-like strokes. It's basically like I have just hairs. It doesn't even look like I used a pencil to draw it. Then for the front part of my brows, I'm just going to go ahead and mimic hair strokes, straight hair strokes, like this. You want your brows to look the most natural. And when I'm done, I'll go into my spoolie and brush all of that together. So I went ahead to do this other eye. That is basically how you tame, set, trace and fill in your brows. And in the next episode, I'm going to be showing you guys how to highlight, clean and blend the areas around your brows to get perfect clean brows. Okay, and I'll see you guys in episode 2. Bye.